Hello, my dear friends. My name is Aisha Glory. I am studying in class 3rd A. Today I make a puppet. Now let's talk to the puppet. Thank you. I am leaving now. Hello, my dear friends. My name is Parrot. I am Sharon's friend. I will tell about me. I am in green in color. See my body. How green, na? My wings are in dark green color. And my beak will be in red color. And I will eat fruits like mango, guava, pomegranates, etc. And I will copy the people's voice, and I will be a pet to all. I will live in trees. Thank you. Now let's talk to the Sharon. Thank you everyone. This is my puppet. Thank you.